Windows are an essential part of your home. They provide natural light, enhance curb appeal, and offer protection from the elements. However, over time, windows can experience wear and tear, leading to a range of issues. If you live in Lexington, you might notice these problems sooner due to the region's fluctuating weather patterns. From harsh winters to hot summers, your windows face a variety of challenges that can cause damage. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can save you money in the long run and improve the comfort and value of your home. Here are some signs that indicate it might be time for a window replacement in Lexington and the next steps you should take. Increased energy bills. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Windows that are old or damaged can lead to drafts, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain the temperature inside your home. In Lexington, with its hot summers and cold winters, this can be especially problematic. If you find yourself constantly adjusting the thermostat to stay comfortable, it might be time to consider replacing your windows with more energy-efficient options. Newer windows are designed with insulation in mind and can help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing energy consumption and costs. Drafts and air leaks. Another clear indication that your windows need replacement is the presence of drafts. If you feel a cold breeze coming through your windows even when they're closed, or if you can feel warm air leaking in during summer months, the seals around your windows may be compromised. This is a common issue in older windows, where the seals begin to wear out over time, allowing air to escape or enter your home. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models will improve insulation, eliminate drafts, and ensure a comfortable living environment year-round. Condensation between panes. If you notice fog or condensation trapped between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, this is a sign that the window's seal has failed. When the seal is broken, moisture can enter between the glass, creating condensation that's difficult to remove. Not only does this obstruct your view, but it can also lead to mold or mildew growth, which can affect indoor air quality. If this problem is occurring in multiple windows, it's a good idea to consider replacing them altogether, especially since modern windows are designed to prevent this issue. Visible damage or cracked. Cracked or damaged windows can be a significant safety hazard. Even small cracks can grow over time, leading to further damage and potential injury. If your windows have visible cracks, chips, or other signs of damage, they should be replaced immediately. Lexington's fluctuating temperatures can exacerbate cracks and cause them to expand or contract, making the window even more vulnerable. In such cases, it's important to act fast to prevent further damage and ensure your home remains secure. Difficulty opening and closing. Windows that are difficult to open or close are often a sign of aging or wear. Over time, the mechanical components of a window, such as the tracks, hinges, and locking mechanisms, can become worn out, making it difficult to operate the window. This not only reduces the functionality of your windows but can also pose a safety risk in the event of an emergency. If you find yourself struggling to open or close your windows, it may be time to replace them with newer, more reliable models that operate smoothly. Fading interior and exterior. Fading on your walls, curtains, or furniture can be a sign that your windows are no longer providing adequate UV protection. Older windows may have compromised glass coatings that allow more UV rays to enter your home, leading to sun damage and fading of your interior decor. Modern windows are designed to block harmful UV rays, helping to preserve the color and condition of your furniture and walls. If you notice fading, it may be time to consider upgrading to windows with UV protection. What to do next? If you've identified any of the signs above, it's time to take action. Start by consulting with a professional window replacement company in Lexington. A reputable company will assess the condition of your windows, discuss your needs, and recommend suitable options. Replacing your windows can be a significant investment, so it's essential to choose energy-efficient models that will save you money in the long run. When selecting new windows, look for features such as low-E glass, which helps regulate temperature and reduces energy costs, as well as multiple panes for better insulation. Additionally, consider the style and material of your windows, whether it's vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, to match the aesthetic of your home and meet your performance needs. Window replacement is a great way to improve the comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal of your home. Don't wait until small issues become larger problems. Take the necessary steps today to ensure your windows are in top condition for years to come.